In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dropbox files to Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to the specific sheet where you want to use your Dropbox file. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before moving on, especially if you manage several projects or workspaces. This helps you avoid attaching the wrong file in the wrong place and keeps everything organized from the beginning. Once you're in the sheet, look for the attachment area or the file upload option. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an attachments icon, an upload button, or an option connected to a specific row. The goal here is to open the place where Smartsheet allows you to bring in external files. If you're attaching something for a particular task or item, be sure you've selected the correct row first. When the file source options appear, choose Dropbox if it's available. Smartsheet often gives you several locations to upload from, such as your computer or cloud storage services. So selecting Dropbox tells Smartsheet exactly where you want to pull the file from. This is especially useful if your team already stores shared documents in Dropbox and you want to keep that workflow consistent. Next, sign into your Dropbox account if prompted. You may need to authorize the connection between Dropbox and Smartsheet before continuing. This is a normal part of the setup process and allows Smartsheet to access your Dropbox files securely. Take a moment to review any permission requests so you understand what access is being granted. After that, browse your Dropbox files and select the one you want to attach or connect. Choose carefully, especially if there are multiple versions of the same document. It's a good habit to confirm the file name before proceeding so the correct document ends up in Smartsheet. Once you've selected the file, add it to the Smartsheet row or workspace. Depending on how you're working, the file may attach directly to a row for task level reference or to a broader workspace if it's meant to support a larger project. This keeps important materials connected to the work where your team actually needs them. Finally, confirm that the Dropbox file is accessible from Smartsheet. Open the attachment or click the linked file to make sure it loads correctly. This final check is important because it verifies that the upload or connection worked as expected and that anyone with the right permissions can access the file when needed. And that's it. You've successfully connected a Dropbox file to Smartsheet in a clean and organized way.